My experience has come in many different forms. I've worked in IT, I've worked in finance, I've worked in the airline industry, then transitioned over to a franchise system where I had a gas station franchise, a shipping franchise, and then we moved on to Yakub and I. We had a janitorial service-based business. Then along came Renue, which was another fantastic opportunity. It's also a service-based business where we can go out and interact with our customers, provide services, suggest ideas. We grow together. The Renue home office has always been fantastic in providing support for us, and we're looking forward to what's ahead.
You offered a lucrative opportunity for us. We were managing various businesses such as gas stations, and we also had a private janitorial business. But Renue, we saw unlimited growth. We were buying the Los Angeles territory at that time, and then we also added Orange County. And what we see with Renue is a tight-knit group of individuals that are highly motivated, and because we're in all the major cities now, there's great room for expansion and growth.
All the franchise owners, we communicate, especially in meetings together, and we're always there to help each other out, whether it's from the home office or another fellow franchisee. We always try to discuss and collaborate on different ideas, and I love that about the Renue community as well. It's fantastic.
I see great opportunities with Renue in the future. Now we've incorporated advertising with HubSpot. There's also Profit Keeper, which helps us analyze our data and how to become more profitable. And with the leading technology that we keep on researching in the hospitality and cleaning industry, I think Renue is a great fit for anyone that wants a business that has potential in the future, that can generate revenue, and also teach you leading and building qualities.